What's up and good day mga boss? Welcome back dito sa aming shop, Aiming Ace Airsoft. Date today is November 28, 2025. So may shipping tayo. ENC 1303 kay Boss Edres of Misamis Oriental. So proceed muna tayo sa inclusions. So code niya is ENC 1303. Then may kasama siyang manual. Ayan. Tapos may kasama rin siyang ito backstrap nga pala. Kung gusto niyo pakapalin yung grip. Then magazine is metal magazine na 20 rounder. Gas dito nilalagyan. Then sa unit itself, ayan, Glock 19 Gen 5. So metal slide, then polymer yung lower frame. Kapag gusto nyo maliliit na units lang, so ganito. Glock 19 Gen 5. Then threaded yung outer barrel. May under rail for accessory attachment. Naka U-type na sights. And other side is, may markings din siya dyan ng Glock. Bale, napakaganda talaga ng markings ng ENC na brand. So, nasa budget meal folder lang natin ito. Price is 4,000. So, subukan natin yung unit. So, slide lock meaning wala na siyang BBs. So, kapag ganyan, release the magazine, then release the slide, hatakin nyo na lang itong slide. Then rest the hammer by pressing the trigger for safety purposes. So, yun lang guys. If may inquiries kayo, message lang kayo sa aming page, Aiming Ace by CJO. Thank you.